Hey everyone, welcome to the fourth episode of Tales of the Classroom. Today's subject, the bag. So, back when I was teaching in the kids with aggression issues school, the maintenance and sanitary installation thing where the forbidden whiff happened, I had a guy called Kevin, and Kevin was a special one, but he worked well. So we had about 4 hours of workshop and the entire class leaves. Kevin takes his backpack, those big East backpacks. He says, "Sir, yo, sir, see you next week." But his backpack was heavy, heavy as fuck. Every step he made, it was this clinky metal sound. And I called to him, I said, "Yo, Kevin, what's in your bag?" "Nah, man, nothing, just my notebook and some cigarettes, sir." And I'm like, "Kevin, put the backpack down." "Nah, sir, I'm alright." You keep on hearing this clinging noise. So I walk up to him and I'm stopping him. He puts his backpack on the ground and you'll hear the loudest. And I'm asking him, "Kevin, can you open your backpack?" And he's like, nah, I'm good. But I put some pressure on him and eventually he opened his backpack. When he opened his backpack, he was revealing that it was filled to the brim with brass connector pieces for all your sanitary needs. Even his own sandwich box was filled with brass. Now, you have to know that I had a storage room filled with that for the workshop, but those things are crazy expensive. Brass and copper are very expensive metals. So I tell him to put it back in the storage room, and we're gonna sort them by size and thread in the next week. After 10 minutes or so, Kevin comes back with an empty backpack. And with every step, I still hear this metal clinking. So I call him out again. I say, "Kevin, are you stealing stuff again?" And he looks at me from across the workshop. He mumbles, "Fuck, it was worth a try." And he takes about 30 pieces of brass filled in his pockets of his jacket, his sweater, his cargo pants, and he puts it all on the table. "Have a good weekend, sir," he says as he leaves the workshop empty-handed. So I notified the principal of the school of this incident, and he was like, "Oh, again, you know, just robbed his internship place a couple weeks back too." I guess some people never learn. Thanks for watching.